Welcome to Unlocking SweetCommerce, a series of tutorials, how-tos, and guides guaranteed to make SweetCommerce easy. Hi, I'm Fran, Project Management Officer at Tavano team, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the Quick Add feature in SweetCommerce. The Quick Add feature is available on your SweetCommerce shopping cart, and it helps users search, find, and add items to their shopping cart. It's especially helpful for customers that are familiar with your catalog. This feature can help users add to their shopping carts after they've started the checkout process. The Quick Add search bar is collapsed by default. It will extend when users click on the arrow. Using a SKU or product name, users can search for a product and add it directly to their cart. For example, if you search for lamp, the auto-suggest will show you the item that matches your search. Click it, set the quantity, add to cart, and you're done. So what are the benefits for the merchant? Merchants have complete control over how the Quick Add searches for items. In the NetSuite UI, you can configure this from Commerce, Websites, Website List, Search Index subtab. You can customize which results show on the search bar, either by SKU exclusively, by the exact name of the item, or with keywords. This configuration matches the website's main search bar. Here, you will select the types of searches and filters accuracy, such as exact, starts with, keyword, or fussy. And that's it! You're ready to set up the Quick Add feature in your SweetCommerce website yourself. Give it a try. Subscribe to our channel for more SweetCommerce tutorials, and don't forget to turn on the notifications. See you next time!